All right, my trusted followers, gotta get this boat off the trailer. Got a crazy idea. Putting it on tires would have been probably the smart thing and the easy thing, but I've got an idea, and it involves this tree. Alright, so I already hate this idea and I think it's stupid, but I'm committed. We're going to try and pull the trailer out, get them on top of the wood so it's at least off the ground. It's going to be a little bit lower than the trailer, which is not ideal, but it's an idea. It's an ideal, non-ideal idea. This could not be more rigged. I thought the winch was longer. It's not very long at all. Got some straps, got it to the back of this. Worst case scenario, this rips right out of the back of the boat, but this one seems tighter than that one, so that'll hopefully, the boat will hopefully stay in place and the trailer will start to pull out. Yeah, sure. She is off the trailer on the wood. She's listing a little bit. God, you talk about rednecking it up. It's impressive. And here's our trailer. I'm exhausted, and the real work is yet to begin. If I can get it back up, who knows? But I got it off. Let's figure it out. Back to grinding. Alrighty, so I've gotten to everywhere that I could get with the angle grinder, and now I gotta get busy with this guy. Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. I'm not gonna lie, this straight up sucks. Yeah, this is why people sandblast this stuff, because this is torture. So I am beat. Here's where we ended up today. It's looking a lot better. The one thing I don't like is it's really difficult to get in between there, so I think the answer is a cup wheel type of wire thing for a drill. So we'll work on that. The other thing I'm going to do before I leave, because I've noticed it's already started flash rusting, just giving it a little bit of time for areas that I went over and were fine. So I'm going to give it a spray with this stuff. I had tested it last time I was out here on just this part, and you can see that part kind of held up a little bit better than that part. So this is the stuff, rust cutter. Good reviews, Amazon. I think it was around 20 bucks. I'll put a link in the description. Use it, please. See, it's already kind of having a little bit of an impact there. So we'll see what that does. It'll be a big unveiling when we come back out here in a week or so. You'll also notice I did take the winch off. It wasn't too bad. I do have a new winch, so that'll be probably the last thing we do, but you know, basically you just get in here, spray. That's it for this episode. Hopefully the next one will just kind of get those little spots, maybe with a cup wheel, and get it primed. I mean, that's the next step here, and then get it painted. So yeah, so thanks, keep watching, please subscribe so you can continue to watch. This is going to be a lot of episodes, obviously, and hopefully we just learn stuff. I learn stuff along the way, and you can learn from my mistakes and possibly successes, because probably if you've looked this stuff up, you're looking to do something similar. And I can tell you at some points today I was really questioning my life and the decisions that I make, but you know, you just have ups and downs, and you just gotta keep pushing through. Alrighty, see you.